Today we're going to move on to comprehensive ranking system, which is the CRS tool for express entry. We're going to scroll down here and it tells you that the CRS is a point-based system that is used to assess and score your profile and rank it in the express entry pool. So the more your points are, the higher the chance that you're going to get the invitation. I'm going to share the link in the description just like before, and you can follow along with me. So if you scroll down here, you get the question. The first question is, what is your marital status? So we're going to go with single. If you are married, the questions are going to be almost the same, so it doesn't matter much. We're going to fill up the age here. Let's go with 27. The age doesn't matter much if you are somewhere between 17 till 30. If you go above 30, your points are going to start dropping. What is your level of education? I'm going to go with master's because that is what I recommended in my previous video as well, that you should at least have a master's degree. So have you earned a Canadian degree? The answer is going to be no. And for your test results, we're going to go for yes for now. And like I said before, you should at least have IELTS passed. Now, I did mention that you should go for at least 7, but we're going to assume that you scored the highest in the highest range so that we can check how much score you can get in the express entry pool. In case you're getting 7 or lower than that, you can check for that as well, but your points are going to be lower. In case you gave the French language test, you are going to select one of these. If not, it's going to be not applicable. In case you did give the French language test, your points are going to increase dramatically. Now for skilled work experience in Canada, it's going to be 0. And for foreign, which means you're outside Canada, make sure you have 3 years or more of experience. Qualification from a Canadian province, it's mostly going to be no. And for additional points, it's going to be, do you have a valid job offer? And for us, it's going to be no. Nomination certificate, again, no for most of us. And if you have a relative already in Canada, you're going to get 15 extra points. If you do not have any relative based on these, then it's going to be a no. For your sake, I'm going to go for no. For me, the answer was yes, which is why I ended up with 15 extra points. So we can calculate the score. Now, if I scroll down here, it tells you the amount of score you get for each of those things. And in the end, I get 481. For the past few months, the points have been around 500 or 490. If I scroll up here, and I can check the round of invitations. And here you can check the number of points that people were being invited for. In case you gave the French language exam, your points would be above 500, which means your chances of getting an invitation are extremely high, or you can say it's close to a guarantee that you will be getting an invite. So I recommend that you spend at least 1 year or 1.5 years, learn French, and then go for this. You're going to be above 500, and within a month or two of being in the express entry pool, you're going to get the invite. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.